Hello, good morning, students. We are learning the story, lesson 8, the hack driver. We are focusing the summary of this story. Next part of the summary, more about delivery man. More about delivery man. The narrator felt happy that the man was so helpful for him. He would get Lutkins with his help. The narrator was very happy to have that fellow who helped him in finding out Lutkins. The man told the narrator that the fox there called him Bill or मैग्नसन. उस व्यक्ति ने, उस पर्सन ने उस नरेटर को बताया कि वहाँ पर लोग उससे बिल या मैग्नसन कहते हैं. हिज बिजनेस वॉज विलियम मैग्नसन फैंसी कार्टिंग एंड हैकिंग. दिस इज द name of his business of Bill. Bill who is the person who was helping Mr. Narrator, and Bill Lutkins himself told the narrator Bill, who was Lutkins himself, but narrator did not know that he was Lutkins. Bill told the narrator that Lutkins played a lot of poker. Lutkins played a lot of tricks with him. The narrator did not know, and Bill told this. He was good at deceiving people. He was good at deceiving people. He told something more about Lutkins. At Fritz's home, वो Fritz के यहाँ पहुँचे. Both of them went into Fritz. Bill asked Fritz if he had seen Lutkins. Bill asked Fritz whether he had seen Lutkins or not. Fritz looked at the narrator hiding behind Bill. Fritz looked at the narrator, who was hiding himself behind Bill. He replied that Lutkins had been there a little while ago. Lutkins came there little while ago, for some minutes ago, but at present he is not here. He perhaps had gone to Gustav's for a shave. शेव बनवाने के लिए शायद गस्टाफ के गया हो. They are going to various places. They went to various places. Who? Narrator and Bill. They drove to Gustav's barber shop. Bill went inside the shop and inquired about Lutkins. He was told that they had seen Lutkins walking down the main street. They told him that he was seen going down street. Bill told the narrator that Lutkins had spent his credit at Gustav's. Bill ने नरेटर को बताया कि लटकिंस ने अपना सारा क्रेडिट हियर मीन्स मनी वो गस्टाफ के ऊपर वहाँ पर खर्च कर दिया. He had perhaps gone to Gray's for a shave. Now, probably he had gone to Gray's shop for shaving. At Gray's shop, they missed Lutkins by only 5 minutes. He might have gone for the pool room. At Gray's shop, then Bill and the narrator went to Gray's shop. They missed Lutkins by only 5 minutes, but they just missed him for 5 minutes. He might have gone for the pool room. Maybe possible Lutkins might have gone for the pool room. Then he went out. They followed him till it was 1 o'clock. They followed मतलब उन्होंने पीछा किया उसका 1 बजे तक. It was time to eat something. Now maybe possible it was the time for lunch, but they could not meet him. Lunch at Waits Hill पर lunch. The narrator offered to take Bill to a restaurant. The narrator offered him to take to a restaurant, but Bill wanted to go home to his wife. But Bill was not agree. He wanted to go to his wife. He told him that his wife would pack a lunch for $50. In place of that, he told him that his wife can pack a lunch for $50. आधे डॉलर में उसका लंच तैयार हो सकता है, जो उसकी वाइफ तैयार कर सकती है. देन दे वुड गो टू वेट्स हिल, और फिर वो वेट्स हिल जाएंगे. पहले लंच उसकी वाइफ से पैक करवा लें, और देन आफ्टर दैट दे वुड गो टू वेट्स हिल. दे वुड एंजॉय सीइंग व्हाइल ईटिंग. देन दे विल सिट देयर on Waits Hill, and then they would enjoy the क्या कहते हैं वहाँ का सीन का एंजॉय करेंगे वो खाना खाते खाते. They would enjoy seeing while eating. The narrator paid him for 6 hours. 6 hours वहाँ पर ठहरने का पैसा नरेटर ने पे किया. He charged all the money to firm. Bill tells more about himself. Bill उसको बहुत कुछ बताता है उसके बारे में. As they sat at the hill, Bill talked of New Mullion. He described almost everything from the minister's wife to the boys. है ना, जैसे वो हिल पर बैठे बिल ने न्यू मिलियन के बारे में बातें की. उसने मंत्री की पत्नी से बच्चों तक की. ऑलमोस्ट ऑल द अकाउंट्स ही गेव अबाउट दैम. एंड बिल हैड ट्रेवल्ड अ लॉट ऑफ द कंट्री मीन्स रूरल साइड, ग्रामीण एरिया, विलेज एरिया. करीब करीब वो पूरे विलेज एरिया में बहुत सारे ऐसे रूरल एरियाज़ हैं, वहाँ पे वो घूम लिया. He had many jobs, और वहाँ पर बहुत सारी जॉब्स भी उसने करी किसी टाइम में. Search resumed. Search was on. Search about whom? Search about Lutkins was resumed. Bill and the narrator resumed their journey to find out Lutkins. Bill and the narrator, they resumed their journey. They went on their journey to find out Lutkins. Bill told the narrator that he knew Lutkins' mother. बिल ने उसको बताया कि लटकिंस की मदर को वो जानता है, और वो कैसी हाउ शी लुक्स. He told him, but she was a terror. She was a terror कहते हैं टेररिस्ट को, आतंकी. वो आतंकी टाइप की. दैट मीन्स शी वॉज लुकिंग सो डेंजरस लाइक अ टेरर. वंस ही वेंट टू हर बट शी टुक हिज स्किन ऑफ. क्या हुआ कि वो एक बार उसके पास गया. बिल उसको बता रहा है कि उसकी मदर बहुत आतंकी टाइप की है, खूंखार है, और एक बार वो जब गया तो उसकी चमड़ी उधेड़ ली उसने. शी वॉज 9 feet tall, How much she was tall? She was 9 feet tall and 4 feet thick and quick as a cat. And active. She was very active as a cat. They went to her. Bill told her who they were. Bill told Lutkin's mother why the narrator had come to meet Lutkins. He also told her that the narrator had a legal right to search the place for Lutkins. Bill told Lutkin's mother, Lutkin की मदर को बताया कि नरेटर क्यों वहाँ आया है, because the narrator had to search out Lutkins on behalf of someone which was given him legally. It was his legal right to search the place for Lutkins. About Lutkin's mother. Hearing this, ये सुनते हुए Lutkins की मदर के बारे में, the woman went into the kitchen. She came out with an iron rod of an old stove. She shouted and laughed at them. वो उनके ऊपर चिल्लाई और उनके ऊपर हंसी जोर जोर से. एक आयरन रॉड लेकर गई. Bill told the narrator to get out of there. Bill told the narrator to get out of there. Otherwise he will be, क्या कहते हैं कि उसको, he will be hurt. And that woman would murder them. That woman is very dangerous. She might have murdered them. So he and the narrator must get out of there. They, however, searched the house fully, but Lutkins was not there. फिर भी उन्होंने घर की तलाशी ली, लेकिन Lutkins was not found there too. Narrator's new way of life. Narrator's new way of life. Narrator का जीवन का एक नया तरीका. It was nearly time to catch the afternoon train. Now it was nearly time to leave that place by the train. Bill drove the narrator to the station. Bill ने narrator को स्टेशन छोड़ दिया. The narrator considered returning to New Mullion to practice law. Then he made up his mind to return to New Mullion to practice his law. He was charmed by everything that he saw there. वो जगह उसको बहुत पसंद आई और उसने he was fascinated with everything what he saw there and met there. Everybody and जिन से वो मिला, जिन चीज़ों को, वस्तुओं, जगहों को देखा, वो उनसे बहुत ही चार्मिंग हो गया था. He pictured an honest and happy life there beyond the universities and law firms. यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और लॉ फर्म्स की जो लाइफ होती है उससे ज़्यादा ऑनेस्ट और हैप्पी लाइफ न्यू मिलियन में उसने देखी और वो वापस उसका दिल वहाँ आने का करता है. He had discovered a new way of life to live there. He did not search Lutkins, but he searched a new way of his life. Different things at office, but everybody in the office was upset. Everybody who was in the office was upset. Next morning the case was coming up in the court and they had to have Lutkins. अगली सुबह मामलों की कोर्ट में सुनवाई होनी थी and the narrator was shameful. नरेटर को बड़ी शर्म आ रही थी at not serving someone on Lutkins. Lutkins का सम्मान उस तक नहीं पहुंचा पाया वो और इस फेलियर से उसको बहुत थोड़ा सा हेजिटेट हो रहा था, शर्म आ रही थी. He was ordered back to New Mullion. उसको वापस न्यू मिलियन जाने का ऑर्डर मिला. This time a man who had worked with Lutkins went with him. This time who went with him for his help. A person who already worked with Lutkins in the past, जो पहले से ही लटकिंस के साथ काम कर चुका था, वो व्यक्ति उसके साथ उसकी खोज में गया. He was to recognize Lutkins' reality. Discovered. The train arrived at New Mullion. Again, he reached New Mullion. His train arrived there. The narrator saw Bill on the platform near his car. Narrator again saw Bill. कहाँ उसने बिल को देखा? प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर, उसकी गाड़ी पे. द ओल्ड टाइग्रेस लटकिंस मदर, और वहाँ उसने लटकिन की मदर को भी देखा. ही इज कंपेयरिंग लटकिंस मदर विद अ टाइग्रेस, with an old tigress who was so dangerous. She was talking and laughing with Bill. She was not quarreling. She was simply talking and laughing, but not quarreling. The narrator pointed to Bill. Narrator ने बिल को पॉइंट किया. देखो वो बिल है. He said that he had spent a whole day with that fine fellow. He told him that he had already spent whole day with that fine fellow. Who was fine fellow? Bill. The man asked him if that man had helped him find Lutkins. The narrator replied yes. उसने पूछा कि उसने उसकी मदद करी थी लटकिंस को ढूंढने में, तो उसने कहा yes. The man told him that man himself was Lutkins. Underline this. अब उस आदमी ने पहले पूछा कि इसने आपकी मदद हेल्प की, तो अब देखो दिस इज द टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ द स्टोरी, कि वो कह रहा है कि यही लटकिंस है जिसके बारे में मैं बात कर रहा हूँ आपसे. इट इज़ वेरी अमेजिंग एंड सरप्राइजिंग थिंग फॉर द नरेटर, जो उसके साथ बिल नाम के व्यक्ति के साथ पहले रह चुका और पूरे दिन उस लटकिंस को ढूंढने में मदद कर चुका. बाय चांस व्हाट हैपेंड, बिल वाज इन फैक्ट लटकिंस. बिल ही लटकिंस था. नरेटर लव्ड एट. द नरेटर सर्व्ड सम्मन्स ऑन लटकिंस. अब नरेटर ने उसको लटकिंस को सम्मन दे दिया. इसको बिल को. लटकिंस एंड हिज मदर लव्ड एट हिम एज इफ ही वर अ बॉय ऑफ 7. अब वो लटकिंस और मदर उसके ऊपर ऐसे हंसे जैसे कि नरेटर एक 7 years old बॉय था. बिकॉज ऐसी गलती छोटे बच्चे ही करते हैं, और उसने इसी तरह से छोटे बच्चे की तरह गलती की थी. दे बेग्ड हिम टू हैव अ कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी इन अ नेबर्स हाउस. इन दिस वे I finish this story, and this is very charming and very interesting story, and learn the word meanings of this story, and question answers I will give you in the next video. And till that, take care of yourself, use sanitizer, use mask. Don't go outside in vain without any purpose. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you and have a nice day.